dorsal surface, medial surface, lateral surface, and that's all. Then we come to the proximal extremity. It has olecranon process, and then it has two surfaces, that is medial surface which is a bit concave, and lateral surface which is convex, and then cranial border, caudal border. Cranial border has beak-like structure which is called anconeus process, which is attached to the olecranon fossa of humerus. Okay, and this is semilunar arch, half moon like arch. And then we come to the distal extremity. Then it is partially involved in the formation of accessory carpal bone attachment for accessory articular facet for accessory carpal bone. The lateral border of radius is rough except at two places. This is, first one is between proximal interosseous space, or we can say proximal radio-ulnar arch, and another one is distally, so that is distal interosseous space or distal radio-ulnar arch. And then this is interosseous groove, which is providing attachment of radius and ulna. And then interosseous space, this is interosseous space. And then we talk about ulna. Ulna is comparatively longer than the radius, and it has one shaft. It is also a type of long bone, so it has one shaft and two extremities: proximal extremity, distal extremity. It has three surfaces. The one which is attached is dorsal surface. Then this is radius and this is ulna. Radius is larger, ulna is longer, and both are the types of long bones which has shaft and two extremities. So proximal extremity and distal extremity. So if we talk about the shaft, so shaft has two surfaces. This is dorsal surface, this is palmar or volar surface, and it has two borders, medial border and lateral border. On the volar surface and laterally, it gives attachment to the ulna. The volar surface of radius is attached to the dorsal surface of this ulna, and that's all. Then proximal extremity, there are two articular facets, medial articular facet and lateral articular facet, and in between them there is one sagittal. See, there are two articular facets, medial articular facet and lateral articular facet. In between them there is one sagittal groove, and there are two tuberosities also, lateral tuberosity and radial tuberosity. So lateral tuberosity is very well developed in this, and radial tuberosity is very much developed in horse. And then we come to the distal extremity. Distal extremity, there are three articular facets providing attachment for radial, intermediate, ulnar, carpal bones. And then we can see the lateral border of radius is rough except at two places. So those places are proximal